Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload your server files into a Google folder so that you can easily convert them to Google Docs. The first thing that you're going to do is open a browser. I would strongly suggest using Google Chrome whenever possible when using Google, just because the languages speak well to each other. Go to google.com. When you get there, there'll be a sign-in button. Perhaps you're already signed in, but make sure that you're signed into your PSD account. Once you've signed in, you're going to see this little waffle. It has 9 buttons, so I think it looks like a waffle, called a waffle. Click that and go to Google Drive. Then you need to work with your settings to make sure that as they upload the documents to Google, that it converts your Word documents to Google Docs, your PowerPoints to Google presentations, so that they're easy to edit. In order to do that, you're going to click this cog up at the top right side that says Settings and go down to Settings. And you'll see the second option here is Convert Uploads. Make sure that this button is clicked for a blue check so that it says Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. If this is unchecked, all of your documents will upload to here, but you won't be able to edit them because they'll still be in a Word format. So go ahead and click that so that it's blue and push Done. Then you're going to go up to this new button in the top left corner and go down to option number 3, which is Folder Upload. You're going to look for your staff server. It's your same ID that you use for your email. At Rocky, we end up with 3 folders. A lot of other schools don't have that, but if you do have more than one folder, click which one you're going for and click Upload. You're going to get a button that pops up that says, do you trust this site? We do trust Google, so go ahead and push Upload. And then you'll see in the bottom right corner that it's going to give you a progress bar. Depending on how many documents you have in your folder, this is going to take a little while. It may take a couple hours. Don't stress, that's completely normal. It can just be running in the background of everything else that's going on. I only have 52 documents in my server because I've already converted everything to Google, so it should happen pretty quickly, but for some of you it may take quite a long time. You will see that whatever your folder is titled will pop up here. If you didn't have other folders, it will be the only one. My folder was called Private and it opened a new folder called Private. When I click that, you'll see all of my documents from my private folder are uploading here. And so this is exactly what my server looks like, and you'll see more and more items are going to keep popping up here as more things download. Okay, I paused for just a second to allow the rest of these to upload, and you'll see that I got a pop-up when it was done that said upload complete, 1 failed, and then here it says 2 out of 52 failed. You can click this icon and it's going to tell you which ones didn't work, and there's various reasons it doesn't happen, but I see that my Can You Name the Football Team and my Food Prep Knowledge Test word bank didn't load. I can retry all, and it may work depending on what the failure was, but as you can see, that didn't work for me. So now I'm going to go for the ones that didn't upload. I can upload them individually by saying File Upload, finding them in my server over here, and finding the name of the document, and then pushing Open. And now this is going to upload as an individual document. I'm not exactly sure why that happens, but sometimes they fail when they're in a group, but you can see that it uploaded this time. I got a green check, everything is good, so I can close out of that. Now you can see everything is nicely put into my Google folder. If I wanted to further organize these into classes, as you can see I've done here, you can certainly do that by making new folders. So just say New Folder, title it, and you can drag different documents into that folder just by clicking on them and holding down and then dragging it over, and it will move it. If you have questions, let me know.